Kitchen Perfection kitchen knife. Unbelievable cutting instrument. Wait till you see the knife. Hey, wait till you see how it's packaged. It's truly amazing what they've done with this knife. So this is what's in the box. Pretty amazing. First off, you've got a wiping tool. Very fine, so you can take care of your knife. You've got the knife case, and look at this thick leather, heavily stitched case for your knife. There's the knife. It's still got a cover on it. It's well protected for shipping, and it's in plastic. You could see in a foam grooved custom interior box. Pure perfection. It's got a couple rubber protectors on the top and on the back. It's got a beautiful wood handle, and you can see the heat treatment of this knife and where they cut the blade into it, sharpened it up. Beautiful curve to it, nice edge, nice point. I love the heft and the feel of the blade. It just feels so right for working in the kitchen. I cook a lot. I'm a chef at restaurants. This is a beauty. High carbon steel kitchen knife from Kitchen Perfection. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what?